Hi everyone, I got with me here an unboxing video for the audio-technica ATH-M50x. It's a headphone, and also with it from, I think, East Brooklyn Labs. It's an adapter that makes this earphone Bluetooth compatible. So we'll do unboxing of the two and see what's inside the box. Whoa, interesting. You got the audio-technica logo. This is a packaging. Let's see what's inside here. Oh, okay. So you got some paperwork, and you got the bag, embossed audio-technica. Feels nice. I wish it came with a case rather than a bag anyway. But well, you got something to carry it in, so which is nice. And here you have the headphone itself. Whoa. You got the logos on both ears, and I love the silver color. Gives it the shiny look. It's 180 degrees sweep. Oh, metal adjustable glasses. Really nice. Kind of feels like leather on the top, but I don't know. And then you got the name audio-technica, and it looks durable and sturdy as well. Ooh, this is where you have the cable. So you have this normal size cable, not too long. That's one. I guess this should be the longer cable. Yeah, this is really long. I don't want to even unpack it because it looks so long. And of course, a long cable, but you know, you can stretch this to very long lengths. But it's called, so it's good. Let's see what's inside again. Oops, that's all. So you have 3 sets of cables, and of course the adapter, which comes in just one of the cable. And the good thing about this is I think it has a lock when you plug it into the headphone itself. Yeah, so you have to, like, you know, do an alignment. Yeah, the white, and that way study cannot be removed. Yeah, so which means that most likely you might not use an ordinary cable with this headphones, so you have to be careful that it doesn't get missing. So that's what you get in the box: 3 sets of cables, the adapter itself, and the carry pouch. So that's a quick unboxing. Thank you very much. Bye. So this is the Bluetooth adapter for the audio-technica ATH-M50x. This makes the Bluetooth work, the headphone work like a Bluetooth device. So, and I guess it has its own battery inside. So it comes with a small cable. Oh, this is really thin. Wow, it's been a long time I saw a thin cable like this. Micro USB to USB, and here's the adapter itself. Okay, so in the adapter you have Bluetooth button, plus, minus, increase, decrease, most likely. This maybe is the power button over here, and this just plugs in directly into the headphone. So this is what you have in the box. Thank you, and bye.